Everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session, we are going to talk about each and everything about Tamil Nadu State Counseling details for NEET PG 2021. We will share you the details about previous year counseling statistics, name of the colleges, government college or private colleges, distribution of seats, how the seats are distributed in those private colleges, and what are the fee structures, stipend, service bond, last year cutoff for clinical branches, and what are the reservation for different categories in Tamil Nadu state, and what are the minority colleges, how many types of seats are there in private colleges, total MD seat and total MS seat, and how many candidates appeared last year, and out of them how many got qualified. So this is complete index that we are going to cover in this particular video. Anyone who is coming from Tamil Nadu state or Tamil Nadu is an open state, you can participate for private medical colleges if you come from outside Tamil Nadu. So anybody who is interested, this video is going to be a kind of like each and everything they will be knowing about. So before we get started with each and every topic step by step, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can subscribe it, and in the description you can see multiple links given for ebooks. Those ebooks talks about and it gives the data for last year cutoff, branch wise, college wise, and fee structure, and there are many things that you will get to know when you go ahead and download those ebooks. The ebooks available for open state, for all the open states: Bihar, UP, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, and all open states. So in case you are looking for private medical college for to get from NEET PG 2021 counseling, so you have a pretty good idea from those ebooks which are the options you should go for, because it will give you the cutoff marks from last years and tuition fee. There are ebooks for DNB that will cover you and give you all the idea about the DNB counseling, all the top hospitals, and what are the cutoffs and branch wise. There is a separate ebook for deemed university, and there is a telegram group. You can join that telegram group so that your question can be asked over there, and from NEET Mentor you can get the answer, or from other candidates also you can get the answer, and you keep on getting all the regular updates. So now with all this, let's get started. Starting from the registration process. The registration process for general category students is 3,000, and there is no fee for SC and ST in Tamil Nadu. Those the amount you pay is not refundable and have to pay in online mode. So once you made the decision to go for the registering for Tamil Nadu state, and then you change the mind, you are not going to get the registration amount back in your account. You need to visit these sites: tnhealth.tn.government.in and tnmedicalselection.org in order to register for Tamil Nadu state. Number of candidates appeared last year. NEET PG 2020 is 18,854, and out of them a pretty good percentage of candidates got qualified. 62% almost got qualified. Totally 11,681. So you can see huge amount of candidates coming from Tamil Nadu state who are fighting for the seats all over the India through All India quota, deemed university, and central counseling, state counseling, open state counseling. There are two different types of colleges. One is pure government college where the fee is very less, and other is private college. Now we'll see in the further slides what are the distribution of seats in private colleges. Let's talk about MSMD seats. When we say total MSMD seats, so MS seats in Tamil Nadu is around 12,700. In India is around 12,774. Total MD seats 24,514, and totally 37,288 MSMD seats, including clinical and non-clinical. The data you can see is maybe audited if you are watching the video at later point of time. Number of MSMD seats in Tamil Nadu is around 2,986. Total MS seats is 1,319, and out of that 250 is permitted, 1069 is recognized. There is a correction required in total seats. You can add up those MSMD seats, then it will be coming more than 3,000. And total MD seat is 2,160, 326 is permitted, and 1798 is recognized. Now talking about the seat distribution, how the seats are distributed. In the government colleges, 50% of seat goes for All India quota, which gets conducted by MCC. Remaining 50% is given for a state quota, where Tamil Nadu state government takes over the responsibility for conducting the counseling process. In private colleges, 100% seats are given to state quota, and they conduct the counseling process. There, since Tamil Nadu is an open state, candidates coming from other states also can participate, but they will be having terms and conditions need to be followed. Government quota, management quota, and NRI quota. These three types of seats are there. In private colleges, government quota, management quota, and NRI quota. What is the difference between these three? The difference is in not quality of education, but amount of fee you need to pay. And in government quota, there are rules. In management quota, who can get admission? Anybody coming from Tamil Nadu or outside Tamil Nadu. Government quota, only if you have domicile of Tamil Nadu, you have done the MBBS from Tamil Nadu, then only can take admission in government quota in that fee. NRI quota, anybody can get admission from anybody, anywhere. Even if you are FMG, you can get in management and NRI quota. Number of PG colleges totally in Tamil Nadu. There are 29 PG colleges. Out of them, 17 are government colleges, pure government. 11 are private colleges, and one is central government college. So let's see the list of government colleges. TN Dr. MGR Medical University, Madras Medical College and Government Hospital, Stanley Medical College and Hospital, Madurai Medical College and Hospital, Kilpauk Medical College and Hospital, Tanjavur Medical College and Hospital, Chengalpattu Medical College, Coimbatore Medical College, Tirunelveli Medical College Government, Mohan Medical College, KAP Viswanathan Government Medical College, Government Vellore Medical College, Government Theni Medical College, Kanyakumari Government Medical College, Government Dharampuri Medical College, Thudukudi Government Medical College, Government Villupuram Medical College. So these are 17 government medical colleges. If you look at a list of private colleges, so Christian Medical College, CMC in Vellore, one of the top medical colleges in India quality wise, PSG Institute of Medical Science and Research, Cancer Institute, Arvind Eye Hospital and Postgraduate Institute of Ophthalmology. You can do a DNB course as well from here. Institute of Ophthalmology, Joseph Eye Hospital, Sri Mokambik Institute of Medical Science, Trichy SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Karpagga Vinayga Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Dhanlakshmi Srinivasan Medical College and Hospital, Karpaggam Faculty of Medical Science and Research, Vellamal Medical College Hospital and Research Institute. See, you can take a screenshot of these pages, slides, so that it can help you knowing all the details at a later point of time, whenever you need, or anytime you can reach NEET Mentor site, NEET Mentor channel, and you can even save these videos or bookmark it. Minority College, Christian Minority Colleges, CMC Vellore. Now private college tuition fee. For government college, I will tell you in the later slides, it's very minimal, but it's very important to know the tuition fee for private colleges in different categories. Government seats in private college. When we say government seat in private college, as we already know, in the previous slide we talked, there are three types of seats: government seat, management seat, and NRI seat. So this government seat is same government seat that we talked in previous slide. For clinical is 3 lakhs per year, non-clinical 2.25 to 2.5 lakhs per year, and diploma 2.5 lakhs per year. Now, who are eligible for government seats in private colleges? The candidates who have completed their MBBS from Tamil Nadu, those are only eligible for these type of seats and this type of fee structure. Talking about management seat in private college, this is most important thing, because anybody coming from any state will be eligible for these management seats, and based on their rank they can get best out of it. So for clinical the fee is not very high, 13 lakhs to 15 lakhs per year, non-clinical up to 4 lakhs, and diploma up to 4 lakhs per year. We have very less diploma seats, because most of the diploma seats goes converted into degree seats in last few years, but still they are sufficient if you want to get admission into diploma courses. Talking about Annamalai University, Raja Muthiah Medical College, postgraduate programs for last year. The tuition fee for all the branches you can see here, you can take the screenshot also. I will tell about the clinical branches: general medicine, pediatrics, obs gynae, anesthesia, psychiatric, general surgery, orthopedics, ophthalmology, ENT. For these branches the tuition fee is 9 lakhs 80,000, and for skin as well. Talking about the tuition fee for pharmacology, pathology, community medicine is 8 lakhs 10. So you can see here is also the tuition fee is quite handsome if you have healthy rank. Talking about the government college tuition fee is very less, 30,000 per year, and some hostel charge and all will be there, but you get more amount in terms of stipend compared to tuition fee per month. Diploma 20,000 per year. Another important thing is stipend for government and private colleges. If you talk about Meenakshi, Raja Muthiah, Savita, Sri Balaji, these private colleges, in first year they give you around 25,000 per month stipend, second year 26,000 per month, in third year 27,000 per month. ESI Medical College, it gives it's a central university where you get admission through MCC. The stipend you get in the first year, second year, and third year monthly is 81,000. That's very good amount. And for rest of them is 35,000 per month in first year, 37,000 per month in the second year, and 40,000 per month in the third year. Now talking about service bond and discontinuation bond. What is service bond? In case you complete your PG degree from Tamil Nadu state, depending on terms and condition, you have to serve in Tamil Nadu state itself. That is called service bond. And in case you decide not to serve, then that penalty amount you have to pay. Discontinuation bond, in case you leave the seat in the middle after getting admission into particular college, you have to pay particular amount as penalty to discontinue the course. That's a discontinuation bond. So service bond is of 2 years, and for degree course the penalty is 40 lakhs, diploma course the penalty is 20 lakhs. Course discontinuation or seat leaving penalty for degree course is 15 lakhs and diploma course is 10 lakhs, plus total amount of stipend received and till the moment you decide to leave the seat, plus that, and not eligible to apply for next 2 years in Tamil Nadu state counseling process. Category wise reservation: for SC they have given 18% of reservation, ST 1%, PWD 5%. For BC and MBC totally 50%, for BC is 30% and MBC 20%. So this is entire information that I wanted to share with you people who are going for Tamil Nadu state counseling process for NEET PG 2021 belonging from Tamil Nadu or any other state. It will be very valuable. If you have found any information is missed out, you can comment us in the comment section, and you can call also for paid services. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.